I'm Clarissa Gaff. I'm a staff attorney at Land of Lincoln Legal Assistance Foundation in our Alton, Illinois office. I grew up in a really small town called Rolling Prairie, Indiana. After a lot of soul searching, decided to go to law school, but not to be a lawyer. I did not want to be a lawyer. I went to law school at Washington University. My final year of law school, I had a clinic position with Legal Services of Eastern Missouri. I got to work with clients, and I also got to see how much clients need representation in court. To have someone there and to have someone in their corner and an advocate is really important to them. I predominantly work in the areas of foreclosure and housing, evictions, landlord-tenant law. There has been an increase in the number of homeowners seeking assistance from Land of Lincoln. In 2009, I think we saw an increase of about 150%. It's hard to feel like an expert in that area because the law and the national programs is constantly changing. It's fun to constantly be learning in my area of law. And a lot of the changes enacted recently have been really good and have the potential to help people down the road, and to see how that plays out will be very interesting and a good thing.
When Clarissa started, our program lacked expertise in foreclosure. Clarissa picked up that ball and simply ran with it and became the program expert in foreclosure defense. In Madison County, what she and I and our new Vista lawyer are attempting to get off the ground is a foreclosure mediation project. She's been instrumental in getting the project started and writing a program pilot project manual on what a foreclosure mediation project would look like.
One of my recent victories was I had a client who was getting evicted because she supposedly missed 1 month's payment of rent from public housing. So I said to their attorney, like, that's ridiculous. You're evicting her for missing 1 month. Like, come on, let's work this out. And she goes, oh, but your client also owes $1,500 in back rent because she failed to report her income. So I reviewed the file and I redid the rent calculations for the past year and a half and discovered that she didn't owe them $1,500 and she shouldn't have been paying rent for the month that she missed because her income was too low. And in fact, they owed her $180 in back rent. And once I sent them the calculations, they backed off, dismissed the eviction, and credited her $180.
She's intelligent, caring, and energetic. She has the ability to see when a situation or circumstances call for interventions that we're not doing for people. She looks to make things better for everybody. That not only helps her client, it helps other clients, and it helps other lawyers in the office as well.
You have all these corporations who have done really bad things, and then they're taking away people's homes. And so to stick it to them and say, here's where you messed up under federal law, here's where you messed up under state law, that's a good thing. I like the intersection and complexity of dealing with so many laws. I like being a sleuth and investigating cases. That's really fun.